Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar and this is another video in the job posting series. So let's get started. I'll share my screen and today we are going to talk about Devtron Inc. They are hiring for DevOps engineer role in Gurugram. Let's go through the JD and try to understand what are they looking for, how to prepare for this interview and what are the salary ranges they are offering for this role. So at Devtron, they are on a mission to make Kubernetes effortless for engineering teams worldwide. They build a platform that empowers developers to deploy, manage, and scale cloud native applications without the complexity. What I'll do, I'll use AI because on day-to-day basis we use AI for almost everything. So why not to use AI to get a job, right? So I'll use Google itself. I'll ask, can you can you tell me what Devtron Inc company does? Perfect. I'm going to use the Google search engine AI mode and we are getting information from here itself. So Devtron Inc is a software company that provides an AI native Kubernetes management platform designed to simplify the entire life cycle of containerized application. It is founded in 2019. The company offers open source platform that integrates with popular DevOps tools into a single intuitive interface to reduce the complexity of using Kubernetes. What are the core functions of and features of the Devtron? Devtron act as a unified control plane for DevOps teams, offering the following capabilities: Kubernetes native CI/CD, same like Argo CD and Flux CD; AI-powered operations, they have AI agent called Atlas, multi-cluster management, cost management, FinOps, security and governance, and application lifecycle management. I think these companies doing really good, and as a DevOps or SRE engineer, you should definitely work in such company. If you know, we work day in, day out with a Kubernetes. And what's better than working in a company which is providing a AI native Kubernetes management platform, right? You'll get a chance to work on Kubernetes heavily, Golang, and as well as AI powered solutions, right? Okay, now we have a clear understanding of what Devtron does. Let's try to understand what are their requirements as well. So skill set wise, they are looking for, okay, what they are saying, you will own CI/CD pipelines and release automation pipelines, multi-cloud infrastructure, AWS, GCP, Azure, Kubernetes deployment and scalability, security and monitoring and cost optimization, on-call support and incident resolution. Perfect, Jerry. What you will bring, they're looking for someone who has 1 to 3 years of experience in DevOps or infra experience, scripting skills, Shell, Python, Golang, and so knowledge of Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD, cloud exposure for AWS, GCP, or Azure. Location is Gurgaon. It's a full-time opportunity. If you are interested, then you can drop a resume to Archie at devtron.ai, or you can reach out to her with the LinkedIn. As you know, I share only genuine openings on my YouTube channel. How I came across this opening? So this is a genuine opening, and Archie Agarwal, she's working in Devtron. This is the same thing which I'm sharing here. So I was busy. I was supposed to create the video on the same day, but I think posted assisted episode 0 2 days back. That's why I did not create this video. And we can check the authenticity of this person, right? So she's working Devtron from very long time, 3 years, 9 months, and she's a HR. Oh, that's great. So which means it's a genuine opening, and that's how you should check authenticity of the post. You should check the profile, who is the person posting, and if that person is genuinely from that company or not. Otherwise, you will keep on applying for so many roles and you won't hear back from the person or the company, and you will feel like, okay, I have applied for thousands of roles, but I am not getting any response. You know the reason now, right? You are applying directly without checking the authenticity of the post. And one more thing, one definitely suggestion is that you can check the repost, who has done the repost for this post. So let's say couple of these people, Arun Jain, he has done the repost for the same post. He's also working in Devtron. You can reach out to him. Let's check one more profile. Satya Prakash Sassini. Okay, perfect. He's also working in Devtron. So you can reach out to these folks, and they want these posts to reach to right candidates. That's why they are reposting it, and I believe that they want to help. That is why they are reposting this one. You can reach out to any of these folks who are working in Devtron. If you need a reference, let me know. I'll be happy to help. The next thing what we can do is that, okay, um, I'll copy this JD and ask AI mode. We'll search AI mode. Can you help me to understand the JD and some tips to my resume accordingly? Let's see what response we get. Okay. This job description is a junior to mid-level DevOps engineer, 1 to 3 years experience with a strong focus on Kubernetes and automation. The company is looking for someone who can bridge the gap between development and operations. So understanding the JD key focuses core, CI/CD pipelines and infrastructure as a code. Scale and reliability on the watchdog role. Okay, so you will be working on security monitoring and cost optimization. For ATS filters, we want to get some tips from the AI mode. So what bullet points or the metrics you should add? Okay, avoid vague phrases like worked on CI/CD. Instead, use the action work plus task plus outcome formula. This is a perfect formula. You should follow this in your resume. But it's saying instead of managed Kubernetes cluster, you say manage 10 plus Kubernetes clusters on AWS EKS, improving system uptime to 99.99% through automated pod auto scaling and health checks. Instead of created CI/CD pipelines, you now say engineered automated CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins and Docker, reducing production deployment time by 45% and eliminating manual release errors. Highlight ownership of non-core DevOps areas because the JD explicitly mentioned security and cost optimization. Most junior resume keep this. So including them will make you stand out. Cost and security. You can, if you have worked on such projects, then you should definitely add those. But how do you add it? You should say the ATS friendly keywords, identified and removed ideal resources, cloud resources using Terraform, resulting in 20% reduction in monthly AWS GCP expenditure. Securities, integrated vulnerability scanning, example, Trivia and Sneak, into the CI pipeline, identifying and remediating 50 plus critical security flaws before production release. Perfect. So these are the tips you can give the same prompt to AI mode and try to get more information how to update your resume, right? The next thing which I want to ask AI mode is that can you give me salary range for this role at Devtron or DevOps 1? Let's see if it, you can see it has actually searched genuine websites like Amazon Box, then Glassdoor, everything, and it has given us full details. What it's saying for a DevOps role, typically 1 to 3 years of experience at Devtron, you can expect 6 to 13 lakhs per year. Salary breakdown per experience, typically 0 to 1 year um, is 4.2 to 6.1. 1 to 3 years, which is DevOps 1, you can expect 6.1 to 8.4. and monthly take home is good, 57, 59. Perfect. These are the details I wanted to share. I hope you're enjoying this job posting series. If you have any more questions, you want me to review your resume or any tips or reference you need, you can drop a comment in the video section, or we have a free Discord server. You can find the link in my YouTube channel description, or I'll post that into video description as well. Perfect. This is everything I wanted to cover. I'm going to share more openings in this series, job opening series. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.